Today I'm going to be doing the walk in water experiment. So I have 5 cups, 3 are filled with water and 2 are empty. So I'm going to get some food colour and do a few drops in each cup. I'm going to put a few drops of yellow in. And then red. So then I'm going to mix them a bit. So they're mixed. So now I'm going to, I have 3 pieces of kitchen roll. So now I'm just going to show you how to fold it, and I'll 3 done, so you need 4 of them. So then I'm going to put 1 in the coloured and 1 in the empty cup. And then I'm going to put 1 into the yellow and 1 empty. And then I'm going to put 1 into the red and here as well. So now I'm going to do another video tomorrow and see what it should do in the morning. The colours should both come into each other and mix. So then I'll do another video tomorrow. It's the morning now and you can see the water has travelled between the cups.